Hey there everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and right now I will show you how you can easily get rid of the green screen on chroma key in ShotCut. So, I have a video here of Spider-Man flying. Oh my god, it's too loud. Okay. And let's say we would like to get rid of the all green here. Oh my god, the graphics are amazing in this game. So, what you want to do is just create filters, plus, click on your video, plus, and right here chroma key, and you get simple and advanced. We will start with the simple. And let's say that I'm going to mute this video for now. And let's say the key color we want to have okay. And you can play with the distance. Let's say we are going to be here. And it's lagging a little bit. Yeah, but the colors are lowering a little bit. You can also capture it by here. Oh my god, okay. Let's try with the advanced. Okay. And now if we would insert some kind of logo here, I don't know, this one, playlist, logo PNG, let's insert add video track. You need to make it under. Please work, my friend, I need you here. Oh my god. It's not working, but this is how we make the chroma key. I got no clue why it doesn't work. But this is how we do it. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.